Hi guys, how are you all? In the previous lecture, I explained about you swapping of two variables with using of temporary variable. In this lecture, I would like to say swapping of two variables without temporary variable in C, Python and Java programs. And let me explain you algorithm. In step 1, we are taking two variables to swap, that is A, comma B. And to swap two numbers without using temporary variables, we use this formula. Please remind this formula. So A is equal to A plus B, B is equal to A minus B, A is equal to A minus B, and it is used to print the output. See, let me explain this formula how it will come in the notepad. See, two variables are taken, that is A is equal to 20, B is equal to 30. After swapping, the output should be get as A is equal to 30, B is equal to 20, right? And the formula is this. I will explain this formula. Please remember that the total value of the output of right hand variable is stored in the left hand variable. Here, A is equal to A plus B means A plus B is 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. Yes, right? It is stored in the A variable. So the output is A contains 50 right now. And here A minus B. Actually, we contain A 50 and B is 30. So the output is B is equal to 20. Now the B contains 20. So A contains 50, B contains 20. And the last statement is A is equal to A minus B. Here 50 minus 20. So A is equal to 30. Now the output contains A contains 30 and B contains 20. So let me explain you in the program. First I will go with the C language. We need to take two variables. Here direct initialization is taken right now, as you know that. So I am writing printf statement like the values of A and B before swapping is percentile D and percentile D, that is A comma B, and we are using formula right now. A is equal to A plus B, B is equal to A minus B, and A is equal to A minus B. And I am copy pasting this one because here I will put after swapping. In order to have good output visual, if I execute like this, we will get like this. So it is not good for seeing, no? So I will put like this. Printf in order to get new line between two sentences. I will put like this. Slash and semicolon. I will put. So before the swapping is 20 and 30. After swapping is 30 and 20. I hope you understood in C language. Let's go to the Python. Okay. Here I am taking. First I am using direct input right now. User input. A is equal to 25. B is equal to 50. And then while using the formula, we are using that A is equal to A plus B, B is equal to A minus B, and A is equal to A minus B. And I am printing the output as print A comma B. Print A, print B. Let's execute right now. See 50, 25 we are getting now. See 50 it is there is no space now, so like that. If you want I will give you space. If I put comma like that, it will ask. Otherwise, I will put print A and print in order to distinguish. I will put like this and I will execute. Wait for a moment. See 50 comma 25. When we give to the direct input, let me explain you by using direct input. See, here already used this variable, so we are not using these variables. We are using C and D. As we are using, sorry, it is a direct input and it is a user input. Sorry by mistake, please ignore it. See, I am taking user input. As it is a integer number variable, I am using int of input need to be taken. So I am using like this. Okay. D is also the same thing. Int of input. Okay. And then if you want to write print statement like as in C the value of A and B, let me discuss how we can write in Python. Sorry. Print the values of A and B before swapping is here. There we wrote percentile D and percentile D. Na? Here we are using plus A and plus B. But here C it is a string and A is a integer which cannot be concatenated. So we are using string function to concatenate this. Please remember this one. So we are using the formula right now. Same formula which we are used before, but variables we changed it. C plus D, C minus D, and C is equal to C minus D. And the same I will copy paste it. Sorry, here is D. Here is C. Copy paste I am doing. Let's check it is correct or not. Yeah, it is asking for input variables, right? We are using 24 and 65. The values before of A and B before swapping is 24 and 65, 65 and 24. Okay, I put here A and B, right? So let me change to C and D. Let me execute once again. Okay, I am giving the variable 24 and 967. See, it is giving 24 and 967, 967. If you want to write a statement here, we can write like this: enter C value. We can write like this. Okay. Here we can also write enter t value. Let me execute this. Enter c value 23. Sorry, 23, and d value is 45. See, 23 and 45, 45 and 23. We completed in Python. Please remember here we can give the input, user input like this. We can also give in examinations of Wipro like that. We don't want to give like this enter C value. It is for our purpose. If they ask us to give output like this, we can give. Otherwise, we will want to give like this. Please remember this. Okay. Let me do in Java. See, I am giving direct input here. Int a is equal to 20 semicolon, int b is equal to 30. I'm giving the same, a is equal to a plus b is equal to a minus b, and a is equal to a minus b. And if we want to print, we are using before printf println statement. Here I am using printf statement because if we want to enter something in between with the variables and also the statements, we can use printf statement as like as in, sorry, it is out system.out.println, printf here. Okay. A and B, let me copy paste it before swapping also. Let me run once. See, in order to get good output, we can write like this also. System.out.println. See, I will show you. See, we got now before swapping is 20 and 30. Here 20 and 30. After swapping 30 and 20. That's it. I explained you in C, Python and Java. Please subscribe my channel and watch the videos in it. Thank you.